So there's something wrong on this part, eh? So you can see this one is not correct, right? So we need to check back the drawing, right? But this is how we do it, okay? So maybe you can do it again, right? So try to do it step by step, okay? Make sure I've missed one or two of the dimensions, maybe it's incorrect. So that's why I get this below profile here not correctly, right? So some of the dimensions, the bottom part here, right? And then the half part here. So this where sometimes we need to measure, this one need to measure from here to here on the paper, and then we translate it according to the scale, right? So this is where it is important. So I'll show you how to do the drafting, how to print out a very good drafting, so that when you print your drawing, let's say your drawing, your scale is 1:1 scale, 1:1 scale, and this is 78 or this 33, right? Or 26, whatnot, or let's say 40 mm or 100 mm, okay? So if it is 100 mm here, okay, and your scale is 1:1 scale, so when you take a ruler and then you measure your dimension on the paper that you have print your drawing on, you will get exactly 100 mm, all right? Okay, any questions for this?
So what length that you use for this drawing? 82 plus 82, right?
Yes, plus 82.
Why we not use 227 plus 33?
Say again?
227 plus 33.
Okay. 227 plus 33.
Oh, I'm wrong.
This one, 227 plus 33, is it?
Yes.
Because I want to draw this part here, only this part only.
Oh, okay.
Because I'm adding this because this part, this 33 here, is basically only this part.
Oh, okay.
Right? So it's much easier if you just draw this part here, only this part here.
Oh,
okay. So if you check it, okay, you can check your dimensions using this tool here, measure between. So this surface and this surface is 227, right? This one and this one is 33, right?
Oh.
So I missed something here, because you can see this hole here, okay, is much longer compared to this one. See?
Yes.
You realize this? So there's
Yes.
something, I'm not sure, the dimensions, so we need to check it back again. But how you do it, how you do your modeling is basically we start with a very basic part, simple shape. So this is where I'm going to cover in solid modeling. Last week we covered until surface modeling, right? Wireframe and surface. In part modeling, solid modeling, okay, there's a topic where we call the CSG3. Okay, constructive solid geometry 3. So this is where we start to do our part modeling. In any CAD software, we start to do it by starting from very basic shapes, and then we cut all the basic shapes that it is on your drawing. Okay, before we go to like this shape here. Okay, to other complex shapes. Right. Okay, any more other questions? Before, I would like to show you how to use this rectangular pattern.
So I have a question.
Yes.
For the whole section, there is two sections, right? Can we just use the whole application on the
Which one?
that one that you point out?
This one?
That one and the bigger one. Can we just use the whole?
This one and this one?
Yes.
Okay, use this hole, is it? You can use it, no problem. Okay, but if you want to use it, because there's no thread in it, so there's no thread in it, so we can just use a blind hole. Okay, so it's a simple hole, no tapered, nothing, right? But for me, it is much easier if you just draw the hole here. Okay, if you look at this sketch here, I just draw a very simple circle there. Okay, and then I just pocket it. Okay, I know what's the problem. It's not 64 here, it should be 82. Okay, should be 82 because the radius here is 82 and 82, right? Not 64.
Yes, 82 plus 82.
Yes, it was 82. So this is the one. Right. Okay, I get it. Okay, so let's go back to this part here. Okay, so this should be okay, the center line here is 26, right? So this should be 26. Wow. 2767, 26. Okay, so I get this. So this is your part. Okay, and then I think something still not right here. This pad here. Okay, looking from the other side. What's the problem here?
Nak buat notes tu, oh notes kita tulis dekat.
It's 38. Is correct? 38. It's 41. Okay, this part should be somewhere around here. No, something not right over here. 20 minus 38, is it? No. Right, so there's another dimension that I also missed. Okay, so we need to check it back. Okay, any other questions on these two things, two parts? Right, so again, when you want to start to do your modeling, start with the basic shapes first. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to use this rectangular and also circular pattern. These